Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and we ready to dive into more items. You know I got more items. This one's a throwback. Well, I hope you're ready. Today, I'm going to go over this Supreme jersey that came out about 2 years ago, I believe. And it's gonna be the Gremlin jersey that came out a couple years ago. Now, before we review this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss out on the next item review or unboxing. Let's go to it. All right, so this is it right here. This is the Supreme jersey that came out a year or two ago. So you got the Gremlin here, Supreme, all embroidered. Got the Supreme up here, green collar, green stripes in the bottom with the white. You got the patch, Supreme patch right here. I ended up getting it medium because they do run big. You got the Supreme tag in the middle. I only wore this, surprisingly, just one time. I wore it just once for like the holidays. Not last year, but the year before that. That's when I wore it. This is a great piece. Let's go ahead and review it online and let's see how it's doing in StockX. Let's get it. All right, so this is it right here. The Gremlin Hockey Jersey. It came out September 29th, 22, week 5 for fall winter 2022. And it says here it's a poly eyelet mesh with knit rib collar, tackle twill logo, and embroidered patch at chest, athletic label at lower front. So it cost me $148 and they had it in white and black. This sold out too. This ended up selling out immediately. I saw several like rappers wear it too. I see in a picture with Dave East wearing it. He was wearing this exact one, the one that I got. He was wearing it. The material is fire. The embroidered patch in the chest, like it's fire. Like you can see it is embroidered going around. Feel the material, not printed, it's embroidered. So they were going for $148 when it came out. Let's see how it is in StockX. So I did pull up StockX. So right now it's showing that it's $600. You could buy it now for $600 with tax and everything, shipping $662.15, which that's a lot of money. That cost $148. Like that's insane to me. But however, it is, last sale shows $170, so I would just put in a bid, put the best price that you're willing to pay, and someone out there most likely will sell it to you. Just be patient, that's all I say. But $600, that's insane. I mean, would I reflip for $600? Hell yeah, I would have reflipped for $600. But then I did see $170. I seen some like last sales were like $300. So you're paying about $170 to $300 if you're putting an offer. Okay. So that's for the black one. And then the description down here says the Gremlins film franchise inspired the Supreme Gremlins hockey jersey black. This hockey jersey in black color by Supreme is made out of poly eyelet mesh for breathability with an embroidered patch, tackle twill logo. The jersey has a knit rib collar in green color and 2 matching green strips on the lower part of the sweater and the lower sleeve with a label at the lower front. The Supreme branding and jersey size are embossed to a tag on the upper back of the Gremlins jersey and was made available on the 29th of September of 2022. That's it right there. You possibly could get it for a good price if you want it for that. You might have to wait, but it can be done. They also have the red ones. Which one was your favorite one? Let me know down in the comments below. Was it this red and white one, or was it the green and black one? This one is going, you can buy it now for a lot cheaper. It's $350 with fees and everything, $397. It says now $43 lower than the last sale. If you like this one, you could also get this one for a much better price if you buy it now. Last sale $393. Yeah, that makes no sense. I would just buy it now at that point, but you can always place a bid. So StockX have both available, white, red, and black colors. Yeah, and this is a nice cop. I only wore it one time, like I said. Definitely gonna bring this out again for a day that I feel like, you know, I want to wear it. We in GOAT right now. GOAT has it for medium, $450 buying new. You can get the last sale for $348. You might have a better chance getting it for a low price in StockX. GOAT seems like they're firm. Last sale $348. You can still offer. You might have a better chance through StockX. They got it in large, extra large, XX large, and they also got the same one, white, black, and red. $394 last sale for XL, medium $406. You could buy new for $406. Yeah, these are the prices that would be good for a reflipper. You know, I would definitely resell this for $600 if I had the chance, you know. Like I say in every video, this is going to the closet. You know that if you go into like an establishment, very rarely you're gonna find somebody wearing that same Supreme jersey. There's no way. Like the odds are slim.
What is this?
And that wraps it up for this item review of the Gremlins jersey that came out 2 years ago. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more items and unboxings, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, we out. Peace out.